If your project plan lives in 12 tabs, it's not a plan, it's a scavenger hunt. One tab for tasks, one for timelines, one for updates, one for email files, and of course, one for what's the latest update. It's no surprise, most knowledge workers are juggling 6 different connections at work every day just to stay in the loop. That's exactly where our project management database helps you. It's a digital home base that keeps everything in one place, helps your team stay aligned, and lets you track progress without chasing people. And in this video, I'll show you how to build a project management database in 5 easy steps, using a ready-made template in ClickUp, the world's first converged AI workspace. Let's start off by signing up for free on ClickUp.com to get access to your workspace. This is where your project management database will live, one place for everything. Now, before you think you'll have to build things from scratch, let me tell you, you don't. You can download ClickUp's ready-to-use project management dashboard template. It gives you the foundation to organize project details, task management, timeline management, stakeholder tracking, and performance without you having to design the whole system first. The best part is that it's fully customizable, so you can tweak it until it fits how your team actually works. And if this template isn't your style, you can use ClickUp's built-in AI assistant, ClickUp Brain, to get a suitable template that fits your workflow. Now it's time to plug in your data. You can enter everything manually or try ClickUp's 1,000 plus integrations that can help you import your projects, tasks, and docs from platforms like Notion, Jira, Trello, Asana, and more. When plugging in details, you might want to start off by filling in project details in the template. Here, ClickUp's AI writing assistant helps you draft clear project descriptions, objectives, and definitions of done. After this, you can attach all the key docs like project plans, contracts, or important notes so your team never has to hunt for files again. Next, you need to add tasks with clear descriptions, assign owners, set due dates, and update statuses for better task management. Here you can use AI fields to auto-generate summaries or status updates for tasks. Another thing you have to include while setting up project management data is timeline management. Add milestones and deadlines so you can see the actual plan, not just a list of tasks. Next comes stakeholder tracking. Log who's involved, their role, and contact info so everything is in one place. Finally, define the KPIs or metrics that matter for this project, so you can measure progress and outcomes without guessing. Once all these aspects are included, make your database feel real by switching to the table view. Because honestly, it isn't a database without a table. In ClickUp's table view, every field becomes a column, like status, assignee, due date, priority, and each task becomes a row. And when you want to see time-based progress, just switch views, like calendar to visualize deadlines, milestones, and see how the work connects. Lastly, don't try to mentally track your project. Let the system do it. You can use ClickUp dashboards to pull the most important data into one view so you get a fast, high-level read on project health, what's moving, what's stuck, and what's at risk. Take it further by adding AI cards. These give you instant AI-powered insights and summaries right inside your dashboard. You can also automate recurring reports and updates with autopilot agents, whether you use pre-built ones or set up your own custom agents. And that's it. You've just created a project management database that's actually usable. And you don't have to do everything from scratch. Just download ClickUp's project management dashboard template and have everything set up on its own. Sign up for free at ClickUp.com and see how it helps you manage everything with just one click.